Hi everyone, excuse me, Kathie, Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and this is a painting. Oh, let me see what size it is so I can tell you. It is 40 by 50 centimetres or 15.7 by 19.7 inches, and I did this off camera, and it was just a swipe, and then I got my card and I just did that over it again, and I ended up with this rather nice pattern. I don't know if that's focusing in, but here's hoping. So what am I going to do? Once again, I have my card, and I have some black paint and some paper to do this on. I also have a skewer there and a knife for making lines, so I will just do this, and I think I'll start close enough to the centre, and I don't actually want these to all be uniform. Some of them are going to be easier to get at than others. So this is all I'm going to be doing. It's really not difficult. Oops, that was a bit thick, that one perhaps. Not as thick as some. The idea is to keep the card pretty much straight. And I'm sort of just putting the straight lines where I have straight lines. Okay, there's a couple more here I can see. That's my grandson in the background. You can hear he's downstairs shouting at his friends. I'm a bit sorry about that one being too fat. Right, now go to their card. Maybe I can draw some in with this. Or not. Okay. Let's try this. It might be a bit that much easier. Probably need one with a bit of a point. Anyway, it's working. We can do this. And then bring this one around. I think I'm better off with the card. This is good fun. I'll put the recipes for the paints and pouring medium that I used below this video under show more, and just excuse me, I'll shut up. I just stomp on the floor when I want peace. Alright. Oops. Keeping everything around here. Okay. To wipe that off. With the trusty kitchen paper. Should have got shares in that company. Okay. Actually, I like that idea. We're getting there. Okay, so that is pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just bring it down to have a look. There's no need to torch it or anything. No self-respecting bubble would be in there after all that rubbing. Oh, do you like it, do you? Hey? checking out the painting for me, Lace. There's Winston under there, but he's a bit hard to see in this light. The light globe above my head just blew. So I have to wait till I go down to the store tomorrow to get another one. So this is what I've been doing, and I'm really quite pleased with it. And I've actually been at it for a while. I don't know, I did this one a couple of weeks ago, and it's just only just deciding to dry now. So it's really, really pretty. There's little bits of colour here and there through there. That's gold, you can see. The two colours I used were cyan blue, light blue, white and gold, and obviously black. So, well, two colours I said, well, you know, that's 5. I'm back, and I had an afterthought on this one, and so now it's dry, and I have one of these smaller little containers, and also have the bottle top off the milk container, and I'm just decided that I would like maybe some gold circles on here, and not so many with the big one I don't think, but just try this little chap and see what he looks like. And I don't want heaps of them, just little ones here and there would be good. And yeah, I don't even want them like exactly circular. I'm just quite happy to have them like a bit willy-nilly. One over here. Might do that one a bit better. Yep, might be a bit too better. Alright, and I just thought this might be a little bit different. They kind of look like golden bubbles. And let me see. Alright, I think in actual fact that might just about do. Maybe one might be. Okay, that's it. I'm not doing any more. I think that looks really good, and I'm going to bring you down to have a look. Doesn't really show up too well from where you're sitting at the moment, but you shall see in a second. Out. So that's it, and these are my circles that I just did. And as you can see, they're not overpowering. I didn't want them to be. And they're different sort of depth of colour. I really like this painting, as you can see. No barking. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put more videos up into YouTube. And that's about all I can tell you. So bye for now. Catch you in the next one.